Hi friends, didn't you just love that story? Today in science, we are identifying correct habitats. In this story, it told you where different things live, and not all their things in this were living things, but that's what we're talking about today, are living things and their habitats. So when we talk about a habitat is the place that a living thing stays because it provides for its needs. So for example, a fish is not going to have a habitat in the forest. Can you think of a reason why? A fish doesn't live in the forest because it needs to be in water. And the forest is not going to have water for the fish to stay in. The same thing could happen with a living thing like a cactus. A cactus normally lives in the desert. It's very dry, it doesn't rain very much, but the cactus loves to live there because it provides for all its needs. It has as much water as it needs, but not too much. It has the air it needs, and the cactus likes the sun. So the cactus wants to stay in the desert. If we take a cactus and we move it to, say, a rainforest, that's not a great habitat. There's going to be too much rain and it's going to hurt our cactus. So when we talk about something's habitat, it provides for its needs. You also have a habitat at your house, just like I do. When you're at your home, you have food to eat, you have water to drink, you have air to breathe, and you have shelter, which for us as humans normally is a house or an apartment, something like that that gives us shelter. When we're talking about animals or insects, their shelter might be something different. An animal or an insect might find shelter in a tree or in a cave or something outside. Now, I want you to remember all these things. You do not have an assignment today, but this week we're going to keep talking about insects. And this week I'm going to introduce you to some specific insects that we are learning about in second grade. And we're going to talk about their habitats and the things that are required for these insects to live where they do. So keep in mind all the things you learned about habitats today. And tomorrow we will have an assignment that goes along with it.